Hello Libra, welcome new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely moonians. This is a monthly reading for March 2021. We will be looking into love and anything else that comes through. Do check in your sun, moon, rising, ascendant, Jupiter, Mars, Venus placements as well, like other signs as well, since this is a collective energy that we will be tapping into. All right. So before we begin, let's just calm ourselves down to be more in alignment with the universal frequencies as we open our mind to receive the wisdom coming through. Right? Just focus on your breathing. Righty. Okay, Spirit, take the wheels. Let's look into the overall energy which is coming in. We have three cards which have fallen out. The first one being love and power is the answer which is coming through for March. Lovely energy, equilibrium which is coming through, divine feminine, divine masculine energy coming into synergy. The sacred, this sacred geometry over here so strongly, and the spirals also coming in. Everything that's meant to be will be flowing into your life. Very strong divine, a very powerful time also with the lightning over here. It's all like tower moments and sudden exits, entries, quick movement which is happening as you empower yourself by embracing your authentic self is the energy which is coming in. Love yourself, find the power within, that kind of energy which is coming through. It's like a concentration of all of that which was expanded, going in every direction. We are just pulling a power within ourselves. That is the energy which is coming in. Focus coming within is also coming through. Next we have Leonardo's virtuous man coming through with 32. 64 and 32 coming in, like literally half energy which is coming through over here. I'll talk about this. And we have Labyrinth coming also over here, 31 coming in. Interesting things following up, like literally when you add these two, it's 63. Just one initiation which is now required, the maze which is getting clearer and clearer as we are going deeper within. It seems like a brain which has been changed in a certain way and it's looking like this. That is the energy which is coming in. Finding love within. It is safe for you to love. That is the energy. Someone who is traveling towards you is also coming in. And it's interesting how the circle, the whole design or whatever it is, like, it's getting capsulated in a circle. So there's flow coming in, natural flow coming through. I don't know, my third eye is really like getting activated over here. This this energy and this energy combined on this card over here almost seems like ascension which is happening, DNA changing that is happening, that kind of energy which is coming through, like elevation or ascension happening on a microscopic level. That is also coming through, cellular level energy coming in. Breaking the mold energy is also coming through, finding the strength to make a stand in this world, realizing that what is the 3D reality and how it may have restricted you in the past, but now you are rising above that towards the highest energy of all, of love. And the maze is getting clearer, the jigsaw puzzle is getting completed of certain chapters. We are letting go of that, moving beyond the hostilities, the confusion that may be there. Love and power coming through. Love will prevail. You will be successful. You have a very beautiful heart. It has gone through many tides. This almost seems like something very warm, something so touching that it moves you in the like heart center area, in your chest area. You can feel that profound energy, or like when you connect with the source through different means like meditation, prayer, or doing certain kind of rituals, like even like I don't know what to say, puja, but certain kind of offering and all of that, or even going to sacred places which have these sacred portals and feeling that profound connection, that excess amount of love, that healing, that caring, that safety net that you feel, that is also coming in. A lot of love is coming into your life because you are paving way for the gate to open through your own heart. Is the energy healing which is coming through. And when I'm still talking about it, I'll try finishing this reading as quickly as possible. But when I lit this first, it was like really, really high. So any kind of tribulation, any kind of obstacle that may have been there, you will be overcoming that for sure. Is coming through. A lot of protection is coming through, a lot of protection. And one reminder, just become aware of energy vampires, things, people, situations which may be clogging you energetically, or kind of lingering on with you and not letting you live freely, think clearly, step away from it, or shift things in your place. Do some saging, have a bath with bath salts, sea salt, and all of that. Do something like that, cleanse work, which will be very, very beneficial for you. We have the visionary coming in with the Knight of Scrolls coming through, fast communication, clarity, which is coming in, Baboa, or whatever this one is called, with the peacock over here. See the cleansing thing. Fakir energy is here. Fakir is, I'll write down, okay, but because sometimes only the Hindi words come in and I forget English altogether, like literally the language. With the purple again, see, third eye awakening. This is the amethyst energy which is coming through quite a bit, like sobriety coming in, inner knowing coming through, higher wisdom coming in, concentration increasing, becoming more efficient in work, finding the drive, concentration, motivation, dedication to keep doing, delivering amazing work, output, productivity, which is also coming in, articulating clearly, or articulating clearly with grace, with warmth, from a place of compassion, not from a place of hurt. That is the energy which is coming through. All right. What else do we need to know for the third 3D energies? New lines of communication will be opening up, especially with the Feb Mercury retrograde, like 3rd of March or something. No, wait, I added in. Like post first week of March, we'll have that shadow period of Mercury retrograde also coming to an end. So yeah, communication which will be opening up. These are way too many cards. We have Eight of Stones coming in, which is talking about if in case there's certain kind of financial constraint that you're feeling a little agitated financially, professionally also. This is saying what is meant for you will find you. Don't worry if you are trying to find new jobs. It will open up, is also coming through. Don't worry is the energy which is coming in over here. You're protected. The guidance will help you. If you're finding it confusing as to decide which, like between two options, two people and all of that, go within, let go of the fear, really think. We have the Lover's card, the Star, and the World also coming through as is. I'll keep these like that. Just a second. Gemini Major Arcana, Aquarius Major Arcana, and fixed energy over here coming through with the World, with Psyche over here. Leo, fixed signs are Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, and Aquarius. flying freely, love which is coming through, someone who is realizing your worth. It's almost like this one also came in like this, right? So there is this energy for the other person. I don't know, I'm flowing like in different directions. So bear with me while I channel whatever is coming through. I feel someone who has been indecisive as to coming towards you, choosing you, or you towards them, or choosing someone, and that clarity will be coming through. You will be understanding who you feel home with, who feels like home, who brings you that joy, like that fulfillment, really, like without the physical aspect of it, even like looks wise, without that, soul wise, who makes you more happy. That is the energy which is coming in. Also with the star coming through and the world coming in, this person is realizing your worth. They are still healing, is the energy which is coming in. They're still trying to balance things. They may feel a little like they're not as good for you because they truly value you. They may be putting you on next level pedestal or something, on a pedestal, and it may not have been imposed by you, or it may not have been your intention, but it is a thing of self-worth also. This person may have had certain kind of experience in the past, which makes them feel that love is in a certain way. I had an ideology about love, but with the way reality has been, it hasn't been up to the mark. Maybe in reality this is what love is, but you are changing that for them, is the energy which is coming through. We have Ace of Stones and Eight of Spirals also coming in. Where there is a lack, there is the eagerness to fill it too, is the energy which is coming in. Ace of Stones talking about new initiation, work wise also, new job opportunities, new projects will be coming in, especially if you have been feeling a little stuck. There's something which is coming in which will spruce things up in your work life as well. Apart from that, this person may be somewhere down the line feeling a little lost as to how to initiate things with you, is also coming through, but they want to talk to you, have a heart-to-heart conversation. They are getting enlightened, new messages which are coming in for them also. Universe is speaking to them, is the energy which is coming through, and the sun is dawning now, slowly and steadily coming in, and like, the clarity which is coming through. Even in this card, if you see, there are like 4 petals, and 2 of them are over here, which are behind the wings or the bodies. And the clarity, the divine masculine is rising, is the energy which is coming through slowly and steadily. But there is this eagerness to talk to you. Wow. I don't know. I'm literally talking with my ears closed right now. I don't know why I'm doing that. Someone may be talking but may not be fully ready to hear, or ask a question when you're ready to truly listen to the answer, whether it is what you want or you don't want to hear. You have to be prepared for both, because you can't control what the other person may say, react, do. But yeah, initiations, new projects, new establishments which are coming in. Someone who is slowly and steadily crossing the T, dotting the I energy and coming towards you. That is the energy which is coming through. They may have run from the connection also, feeling that they'll get restricted by a commitment, but now they're becoming more clear of that. They realize that they were in a place, this person, whoever this is, all right, this person was in a mind space where they felt they don't deserve love. That's why whenever there was this compassionate side, flow of divine feminine energy cocooning them, giving them a safe haven, somewhere down the line healing them, the vulnerability that they felt, the pureness that they felt was overwhelming, because they haven't met someone perhaps who is so authentic, who is so pure, is also coming in. They may have initially come to you from a place of ego, like pridefulness, and they saw that ego being subdued a little, them bettering themselves, and that was really, really, in a way, alarming for them, because this is a person who has been safeguarding themselves, their heart from the world also. They didn't listen to their intuition. But now, slowly and steadily, looking at the way you conduct your life, the way you are so clear, even if there are setbacks, you'll still see the higher side or take the higher road and all of that which is coming in. You still stand up, and this is what is changing them over time. Like in each and every situation, whether you are in a relationship, in marriage, in something new. mm, this is the energy which is coming in. So if you're meeting someone new, they are ready to experience love in a different way. You are opening their mind. They want to keep an open mind and see where this goes. And if you have been with this person for some time now, or years also, the way you have evolved, while certain things have remained the same in you, but you have evolved overall, and they are in awe of you, is the energy which is coming through over here. And they're going to talk about that is also coming in. They're going to choose you. This is a divine counterpart connection, overlooked by the divine, is also coming through. I just said, right, I've been closing my ears and then speaking. I realized because the moment I stopped closing my ears, I can do that internally with the muscles. I realized my ear is ringing a lot, a lot. So there is a lot of angelic spirit guide energy around you, guiding you, is also coming in, guiding them. Your ancestors and your spirit guides for each of you are guiding you both towards each other, is the energy which is coming in. If you're single, your soulmate or someone who really speaks to your soul, a soul to soul connection is coming your way, is the energy. The blend is coming in with night and day over here. There's a crescent moon and sun over here also. What is the guidance coming in energetically? Quickly, please. Thank you. Very clear, crystal clear. We have contract coming through, coming in reverse. So 9, like this is a number 6, all right? In reverse, it's a number 9. Also, what is being said is that you can always agree to disagree. When you write, like from this angle, this will look like a 6. From here, it will look like a 9, right? Like wherever you see it from. So there's that coming through. Try to understand the situation. If you are in a situation which has recently been very hurtful, or something which reminded you of an event which hurt you in the past, become aware of that. You have to release yourself from that. Forgiving and learning, forgive your parents, it will really help you, is also coming in for some of you out there. The contract coming in reverse is also new ones coming in, but you have to take your time, is also coming through. Take time to go through the documents that you're signing, is also coming through. The certain kind of completions which are very much required, the metamorphosis which is very much required, rebirth which is very much required before things go forward. There are certain kind of endings which were very much required for your soul to grow, for something new to come in. But before that happens, you have to make space. So in certain situations, the universe did it for you, for that lesson to be learned once and for all, is also coming in. This may be a connection, especially if it's new or coming for you, which will take time to unfold. But keep an open mind, because your soulmate may differ from your usual type, is the energy which is coming in. It's almost like with the supermoons, which start like 4 consecutive supermoons, which start from March. It's going to change your world, is also coming in. You are coming into power, is also coming through. New beginnings, new phase of life which is dawning upon you. What inspires you? Think about that, is also coming in. Bring balance. This is all about like going within. 6 is very soulful, very spiritual also, like connecting with the spirit realm also. Something of the past which needs to be amended, released, or forgiven, starting with yourself. And bringing in that balance, believing in yourself. And everything else will follow through is also coming in. This phase is a journey of you coming within, coming back to yourself, connecting with your higher self. Thank you. All right. As the oracle, we have strength coming in. It's really interesting. This is the second time I'm seeing strength. For an Etsy order, I put mini cards, also mini tarot cards in my orders. Strength card did in fact come through, and this is coming in. This challenge will make you stronger. You will get through to the other side. Look for the gifts in this situation. What is the universe trying to teach you right now is the energy which is coming in. From all of this which is happening, is there a pattern which is repeating? What am I choosing? Even if it's not choosing to take an action, but what am I choosing to believe is my reality? Is what is going to happen? All of that, what am I projecting outwardly? Become aware of that as well. And this, any kind of challenge that may be around you, because there is a lot of this Kundalini awakening energy which is coming through very, very significantly. It's almost like rearranging reality in a certain way, coming back to your higher self, balancing the divine masculine, divine feminine within yourself, your light attributes and your shadow attributes, bringing it into balance is also coming in, for that clarity to come through, for you to let go of the haze from the maze, and then finding the sun coming in and finding your way towards the center, towards home, towards yourself. Allowing yourself, it's all okay. Wait, I'm losing track of what I'm saying. It happens when I start channeling very strongly. I'm just going to say this since I got it. It's almost like, understand that each and every experience of yours, however it may have been, has been very synchronistic into making you who you are. And you are blooming, and with that you're creating ripples which are going outwardly. So what kind of ripple effect do you want in your life is also coming through. Make ripples of kindness and love, it will reward you. And we have balance also coming in. Wow, Librans, you guys, darkness and light side all blending it together. There's no light without the darkness. Understand that. They see you as a star, as a rising star who's very benevolent, who is very courageous, very confident, very in balance, very respectful, very graceful, very articulate, very caring, can be very strong and protective as well, can fight. That peaceful warrior energy which is coming through over here. Very beautiful energies. With the colors, I'd say citron and obsidian or tourmaline will be very, very beneficial for you, grounding and utilizing that light force energy, productivity. Take time to relax, indulge a little more or less. Set boundaries with your work is also coming in, balancing every aspect of your life for this person also. There's a lot of movement which is going on. A ray of sunshine which is flowing into your life is the energy which is coming through over here. There's a reason why there are certain kind of delays occurring in your life. Embrace the pace and utilize to rest and rejuvenate during this time, so that when life goes into that curve of speeding up, everything expanding and all of that, we have that energy. We are replenished, like mentally also clear, to go in any direction, ready to make the best use of the opportunities coming our way is the energy which is coming in. But someone is really excited about you. The clarity which is coming in. They're hooked is the energy which is coming in. They are hooked. Alright, let's look into the charms now. This okay. So we have a lavender pendant again. Like, lavender is really good for relaxing and a lot of detox and elevation. Very good for sleep also, protection also, cleansing too. And again, third eye energy coming through, crown chakra and third eye. awakening significance which is coming in. We have the hand of Hamza or Fatima coming in, and this is talking about angels are guiding you, the source is with you, there's a lot of blessing. This is overlooked. Your life is, it's almost like you and your loved ones are protected and you are guided to take actions now, because your wishes will be coming true, but now is the time that you start taking steps towards that also. We have the gecko also coming in, regenerative energy coming through, tact, carefulness also, and geckos also tend to clear their eyes. So, clearing your vision energy which is coming through. Look at the situation again after you've taken a break so that you can see it with fresh pairs of eyes. We have the leaf over here, only one leaf over here. Fall could be significant, nature, organic food. Um, Connecting with earth will be also very, very beneficial for you. I have to say something. This is a part of a earring which I wore a lot and I used to really, really love, and it's just bringing in a lot of happiness. Like, I wore it a lot. I used to feel very confident wearing them. They were just like many of these just dangling, but just felt like sharing that with you. Happier times are coming through. We have the daisy flower also over here, blossoming energy which is coming in. They see you as someone who is very innocent, who is very focused, who is germinating, who is abundant, who is on a new path. Where is the ace of stones? This energy is coming in with this charm, embarking on a new journey, something soulful, even romantically flowing into your life. The golden anchor which is coming in, marriage for some, because I have many silver ones, but this is the only golden one which I have. Someone who really wants to build something substantial for you. So anything which was built on hasty foundation will be coming to an end for this meaningful contract to come into your life, connection to come into your life, long-term partnership. Someone is really, really hooked on to you. We have the butterfly metamorphosis coming in, free to flow in any direction. You choose to create, and you have the choice to create any kind of life, to flow in towards a more meaningful life also. But this is a time of rebirth. A newer version, a stronger version of yourself is coming out. Don't hold it back. Let it come through. Speak with grace. That is also coming in. Soften the words is coming through. We have the seahorse, being unique, very caring, intuitive. This is someone who would like to share responsibilities also equally. Equal give and take will be coming in, especially if there was a situation of imbalance in the past. That is not who this person will be. We have the eye also coming in, depicting Egyptian eye, the eye of Ra or Horus. I think it's okay, no slipping. It's like two ways of saying those eyes, and anyways, talking too much. This says the intuition, your intuition is rising. You have a lot of ancient wisdom within you. Tap into it, meditate, and it will come through, flow in. Like, just clear your mind and ask the question, and you'll find the answer within is also coming through. This always reminds me you already know the answers. Dive deeper. We have the sacred tree coming in, tree of life coming through. This is expansion, creating your own legacy. Someone who really wants to build a family with you, and they see you as someone being very nurturing, giving shelter to others, and you could be a social worker also, or this person could be. We have a mask which came in like that. So I feel like deceptions which will be reduced is the energy which is coming through. More realistic connection. This person will not have a problem, or eventually with trust will not have a problem saying everything to you, because that is the kind of, since they like that about you, you being clear and everything, just be sometimes being a little blunt also, but they have this tendency in themselves also. They like clear communication. That's why they really respect and value what you have to say. And this charm always reminds me of Ascension, Dark Night of the Soul, which is bringing in a new dawn, a new phase in their soul journey. Chakra, all chakra awakening, all of that which is happening. Someone who is letting go of the fear of stepping into the unknown, even if it is like believing in the supernatural, not supernatural, but the spiritual realm, the the dimension that we don't see but we can feel or hear or dream. And we have the spiral also coming through, and there was a maze also over here. Ever flowing energy which is coming in, infinite energy which is coming through. Kundalini and energy also coming in. The connection, even sexually, this would be a very spiritually awakening. You could feel like, both of you, like sacral chakras getting activated, that energy which is coming in over here. Uncoiling. What is this? We have an elephant also, India. Wisdom, being by the book. They see you as being very nurturing, very loyal, very ethical, very respectful. And this is saying you have a lot of love and a lot of strength. You are very much respected, and success will keep coming in, flowing in. Abundance is flowing into your life. All right. You or your person may have Taurus in their charts, and they see you as trustworthy as well. So that is the energy which is coming in, or even like being a little bullheaded in terms of attaining your dreams perhaps, but very compassionate at the same time. Also, you bring in a lot of balance, while they may be bringing in a lot of strength into your life, is also the energy which is coming through. All right, so thank you so much for your precious time. Do let me know if this resonated with you, and please share it with your loved ones. It will help the channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much, shukriya, for being part of the Moonian family. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, enlightenment to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians.